Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. How are you? Okay. I have something today. I'm not I'm not feeling very well. Semalam I got the mum. Yes, the mum and sejuk. So what I'll do, kita cannot afford to miss the demo classes. What I'll do, I will give you in class homework. Okay, you do the homework in class. You submit to me after 40 minutes. No, I will give you 45 minutes, okay, or 40 minutes to do this. After that, I will go to. After that, submit. Okay, that is bonus homework. Now, if you remember, if you recall, I give you. Actually, I already give you one homework in class. So that was homework one. Also, so including this one will be two. I give you dulu homework one in class. So that one, you don't worry about the marks. I will give it to you. For in class, I give already one last time. Remember last time? Homework one. This is in class. That one, I said 10 marks. But actually it will be 5 marks. That was already, very, very easy homework. Okay, the one that I give you today, we call it in class homework number 2. Okay, you need 10 marks because quite a lot of work. But actually, if you have done this question, it's a homework question that I already assigned to you. If you have done it, then okay, you just write it on a proper piece of paper and then submit to me. So I want you to do this on your own. Okay, don't worry whether it is wrong or right. I will discuss about this afterwards. And everybody who do this, I'll give you 10 marks. Okay, so right or wrong doesn't matter. So don't ask anybody. Do on your own. Okay, refer to my notes. Refer to your understanding. Do it. Don't copy. Okay, easy way copy. But I give you bonus. So make sure you do it on your own. Okay, wrong or right, it's okay. Afterwards, I will discuss. So I give you the question on partial derivative. Chapter 14.2. Question number 6. Okay, this is the 11th edition. So 11th edition, our book. So that question only asks you to find fx, fy. But I want you to find also fxy, fxy, and fyy. Itu dia. Alright. Okay. Ini dah fxy, fyx apa ya? So the book only asks you to find this. So now you find it. And then 14 point. I give you enough time because the question is time. But if you have done this question, okay. The other one is 14.4. I want you to do question number 25. All right. Okay. So these two questions. So you do on your own. You wrong, I give you 10 marks. You right, I give you 10 marks. All right. Afterwards, we discuss. Okay. All right. But I want you to do on your own. Understand the concept. Okay. And then I will put this assignment in classroom after we discuss. You submit right away. Okay. All right. Any question? Tak ada. Okay. Kalau tak ada, start sekarang. Okay. Do it now. I will not. I will not be here. No, I have to go to the banking. So you do it on your own. Okay, if you have a question, you chat among yourself. Okay. Jangan chat. Okay. Right. Or if you have a problem, have a question, you put into WhatsApp. I can check that. Okay. All right. Don't ask any question. Just do it. Okay. All right. So wait now. I'll give you 40 minutes. Okay. Okay, classroom. Bagi nanti. Classroom apa benda dia panggil? Classroom assignment tu I will put Assalamualaikum. Okay, let's go through the question. First question number 1. Okay, question number 1. Question 6. Okay, you want to find fx. So we use the power rule, okay? The general power rule. So general power rule is this: fx is equal to what? Is equal to n multiplied by u n minus 1, and then du dx, okay, or u prime du dx. So that is the general power rule. So you let u be the terms in the bracket. Then what is u prime or du dx? So I have your x y cube plus y. Then du dx or u prime, that will be equal to, so du dx, u prime, remember is du dx, okay? That will be equal to y Is that right? Y cube bar. Okay. So what is the fx? So fx is equal to you have n, that is 2, and then you multiply by everything in the bracket u, reduce the power by 1, so that becomes 1. You can put 1, or you don't have to put 1, but it's a 1. And then multiply by q. Itu dah. Okay, check your answer. Okay, am I right or am I wrong? Check your answer. Kadang-kadang saya pun boleh buat silap. Betul ke salah tu? Huh?
Same.
Betul tak? Kalau salah, cakap.
Same.
Mula.
Sir, can you hear me?
Hah?
Same.
Sekejap. Dia ni jatuh. Okay. Apa dia? What did you say?
Yeah, same.
Betul ya? Alright. So now we want to find Fy. So again, if you want to find Fy, that will be n multiplied by u, reduce the power by 1. Now u prime. So u prime is what? Du dy. So for the partial derivative, it's good that you put du dx, du dy, so that you know that u prime is du dy. So in this case, our u prime is du dy. All right. Okay. So what is the u prime or du dy? You have x. So you show the work. Okay, right. So that we know what is going on. And then du dy is equal to 3xy squared plus 1. Okay. This one you can simplify. If you do one, it's okay too. And then what is Fy? Fy is 2, everything in the bracket, plus y, to the power of 1. So we do that. Dx y squared plus 1. So that is whatever. So, berapa kita cuba buat ni? Fxy, fyy. So you start with fyy. Okay, how do you get fyy? Now, fyy, you differentiate fy with respect to y. So what do you get for fyy? So what you get would be 2. You multiply everything out. Senang sikit. Okay, multiply everything out because everything here is to the power of 1. So you got x y cubed. Oh, yang ni simpan. Di banyak sangat. So what you do, multiply out. Dia dapat 3x. Okay. I got 2. And then 3x squared. Y to the power of 5. Itu first term. Plus x y cubed plus 3x y squared plus y. And then f equal to 2 x y to the power of 6 plus y to the power of 4. Kita multiply out. All right. So if you multiply that out, fy will be equal to 2. Don't worry about that constant. Then you got 3x squared y to the power of 5 plus x, y cube plus 3x, y squared plus y. Okay, so what f of y? All right, so you do f y y. Now everything here is terms in y, so you unknown. Okay. Now for fx, this is differentiate into it. And then fx, if you multiply out, what you get to x y to the power of 6 plus y to the power of 4. Okay, and then I want to find what fx y. Now, everything here in terms of y. So you will get, first term you have y to the power of 6. The second term you have y to the power of 4. Okay, all right. Everybody must get this right. If you got fy salah, katakan fy ini salah kan? Okay, what you do? You write the correct fy ini, and then you multiply out. Dapat ni. Then differentiate with respect to y. Okay, that must be correct because we just multiply, we just differentiate each term. Bukan tak ada susah, tak ada produk rule, tak ada benda. Just pakai biasa punya power rule. Okay. Alright. Kalau tak dapat lagi, balik rumah, study balik. Alright. So similarly for fx, you just differentiate each of the term with respect to y, you'll get fx1. Okay. Alright. So that is the first question. Okay. Any comment, any question on that? Alright. Okay, good. So kita go to the next question. Next question, number 25. 13.14.4. So you have here the demand function of X, brand 1, brand 2. Okay, and then you have the cost function is given. So how many units of the brand, of each brand to use maximize profit? So the problem is to maximize profit. So you have your number 25. Problem is maximize profit, and that profit is equal to R minus C. So kita start from the beginning, okay? Like I said, don't jump. You start from the beginning. You want to have profit. So maximize profit, get the profit function. And then you have two products, all right? You have two products. That means that will be P1 okay, P1 X plus P2Y minus cost, okay? And the cost is XY. You can do it now, put XY, or you don't put up. So now you define what is X. So let P1 be what? X of X. So you have two goods, X and Y. In what? Kan kita cakap apa? Dollars lah. All right. And then you have P2, the price of Y, also in dollars. And then what is X? X is brand 1. So X is brand 1 in units. So you can say quantity of brand 1 in units. Y is brand 2 in units. So before you do anything, okay, like I said, don't rush. Before you do anything, we define what is the price you are talking about and what is the variables. Okay, so you have two variables, X, Y. What is X, Y? And then what is P1 and what is P2? All right, so we are clear now. Then what you want to do next is your revenue will become what? Okay, you have the x equal to 70 minus P1. So I don't do that yet. Given x equal to berapa? 70 minus P1. So what you have will be P1 equal to 70 minus x. And you're also given y equal to 80 minus P2. Right? So what is P2? 80 minus y. So now you have the demand in terms of x and y. So you can multiply. Now you don't do directly the demand function. Okay, you don't multiply right away. Masuk in terms of p. No, p in terms of x. If you do that, then you will get what? Revenue equal to P1 multiplied by P1. Then you have what? Multiplied by x. Okay, I'm sorry. P1 multiplied by x. So you got 70 minus P1. And then you minus the cost, which is x1. All right. Then you have benda ni, and then you have xy. So if you have xy here, you have to rewrite xy in terms of P1 and P2. Okay, difficult. Okay, benda jadi susah. So we use the simpler way because the cost is given xy. So we write everything in terms of xy, and furthermore, the question asks you to find what? Find the quantity of x and y. So the variables should be x and y. All right. Okay. So now, what is the revenue? So revenue, we write revenue first. Okay. Because revenue consists of P1x plus P2y. So what is revenue? 70 minus x multiplied by x plus 80 minus y times y. That will be equal to 70x minus x plus 80y minus y squared. Revenue. Okay. So now we put into the profit. So therefore, our profit will be equal to, yeah, you put the bracket just to indicate that that is the revenue of you. Or you don't put the bracket, as long as we know the cost. Okay, but put bracket, because that is revenue. So that is our revenue. Minus cost, apa cost? XY. I share screen. Screen there. Dengar cakap saya tak? Okay, dengar. Alright, so that is our profit. So if you got wrong profit function, write down. Okay, write down the profit and how we get that profit. So you got the profit from revenue. So make a correction. Okay, if you got it wrong. If you got it right, that's good. Okay. So now we go get the first order. Yeah, find critical point. Yeah. Yes.
80y itu positif.
80y positive. Okay, so 80y, 80 times y, positive. Itulah, positif. Lepas ini tadi negatif. Itulah. Mana saya belajar apa tak tahu. Cikgu saya ni silap ajar dulu ni. Okay, so be careful, alright? You see, I make orang kata stupid mistake. Tapi careless lah. So you have the 80y, and then when you put in the profit, I put minus sign. So check balik. No, that's why when you write one step, you check back, make sure the signs are right. So thank you. Baru betul. Kalau tidak tadi dapat negatif, jadi klik lah jawapan kita. So you get plus 80y. Yang lain semua betul ya? Alright, thank you. So now kita get the critical point. So what next? You find critical point. 4 points. Where condition? What is the condition? Fx equal to 0. Fy equal to 0. Yang ini selalu people don't. You right. Some people they just, I don't know why. You just, okay. So condition, right? The condition. All right. So we know how do you get the critical point. Then what you need is to find fx. So fx in this case here p. So f to general. So actually you got px equal to 0. Dy equal to 0. So therefore, here is not in terms of f, it's in terms of it's given as p. So px equal to what? Derivative respect to x, I get 70 minus 2x. And then the other terms are y, and then minus y. Okay? And then you get py. I get 80 minus 2, 80 minus 2y minus x. Betul? Okay. Now, you write one more though. Write sekali lagi. Set that to 0. Okay? But I want to save time. Sebab kita tak ada masa ni. I put the 0, tak apalah, I write down. So you have a system 70 minus 2x minus y equal 0. Call it number 1. And then you got 80 minus 2y minus x equals 0. Call it number 2. Okay, this one, should be able to do it. Okay. So for those who got it right, work it out. What do you get? Berapa dapat? X no y. X berapa dapat? Tell me. Saya tak payah buat lah. Sebab masa dah tak ada ni. Okay, what is the x? Somebody tell me. What
X20, Y30.
X20, Y30. Okay. Anybody else get different? You got everything. Everybody got another percent verified. You got same value or you don't? Betul? Somebody verify lah. Dia ada kena seconder. Okay, baru confirm. Dia macam minit mesyuarat lah. Orang propose, orang kena seconder. Okay, second. Betul ke tak betul ni?
Same, sir.
Okay, good. So confirm, alright? So that is the right one. So if you have not worked this out, balik rumah buat. Okay, work out. You have a system of linear function. So you have to find x, y. I got x equal to 20, y equal to 30. Alright? So now what you want to do is you get to do the second partial derivative, the second partial derivative test. So you remember the formula? You remember the formula? What is the formula for that D? Formula dia. Ni the formula dia. Okay, to test for maximum. Test for actually just not just maximum, test for minimum. You got B fxx times fyy minus fxy squared. Okay. Now in this case here, it's in terms of p, so I got pxx pyy minus pxy squared. So ini kena ingat lah ni. Okay. You have to remember. Jangan tak remember. Okay, for the final, normally there will be a question on partial derivative. Don't think that it's not important. It is important. So remember the formula. Lepas semester ni, lupa lah. Because you have the book. You can always go to the book. So what you need now is, I need what? I need PXX. Okay, X, what do you get? I get minus 2 PYY. That is negative 2. PXY, negative 1. Betul ya? So, our D is equal to negative 2, negative 2, minus negative 1 squared. So, what do we have? We have negative 2 times negative 2, 4, minus 1 squared, minus 1 equal to 3. Now, that D is bigger than 0. So remember, if D is bigger than 0, we have what? We may have a maximum, you may have a minimum. Okay, so you need to look at, PXX, PYY. And then you need to look at, since our D is equal to 3 and you is bigger than 0, then you check PXX. PXX is equal to negative 2 and that is less than 0. PYY equal to negative 2 and that is less than 0. Ini betul ke? Saya tak ingat lah. Saya rasa ini je kan? Betul tak? Okay, if you check the formula, We need the FXX, FYY kan? If both are negative, then P has a maximum at X equal 20, Y equal 30. Betul? Betul ya? So, what you have to find next is what is the maximum profit. All right. So you want to do next is you want to get the maximum profit. So to get the maximum profit, substitute X equal to 20, Y equal to 30. You substitute into the P. Okay. So to get the maximum P, substitute X equal 20, Y equal 30. Okay, so we will get P equal to 70 times 20 minus 20 plus 80, 30 minus 30 minus 20, 30. Okay, what do you get? Anybody get the answer? Let me know, because I don't want to find the value slow. Berapa? Terasa dapat profit lah. So if you get the X and Y,
1,900.
1,000. Berapa? 1,900. Saya tak apa dengar. Berapa profit ni? 1,000 berapa?
900, sir.
1,900. Okay, saya tadi tak baca habis lah soalan tu. Actually, the unit of X and Y is not just unit. It is what? It's thousands of unit. Itu thousands of unit. Itu kita tak masuk tadi. Saya tak tahu. So kita go stand. I hope you don't miss that thing. Okay, the X and Y are in thousands of units. So similarly for the Y, thousands of units. The price, okay, the price is in dollars. Okay, so we use thousands. Okay, all right. So you do this to maximize profit, what do we do? To maximize profit, we have to sell 20 what? 1,000 no, sebab dia unit ni 1,000. 20,000 unit. Jadi cakap X ada apa dia cakap? Tak ada benda lah. No, of brand 1. Of X or brand 1. And 30,000 units of Y. That is a brand 2. Okay, and then you describe the maximum point. Then the maximum profit is equal to what? The maximum profit is equal to 1900. Now that 1900 we multiply by 20,000, 30,000. So kita tambah 03. Alright. So that is $1,900,000. Okay. All right. So that is our solution. Okay. Bagus. Nanti. So yang tadi tu make sure you buat the second. Okay. Now you give yourself 10 marks. But you have to show some work. Salah ke betul tak kisah. Okay, I will check. If you just give me half the work, then I give you half mark. But you should show, most of the work. Salah ke betul tak apa. Alright. Tapi kalau give me only 2 lines of work, tak patut nak bagi 10. Okay. That's it. So submit dekat classroom. I already put the homework in classroom. You submit now. Okay, I give you latest by 11:30. So do it now. All right. Okay. Any question? Anything? So make sure if you have problem with partial derivative, do more question. Okay, do more question. Practice lagi, ask a friend or you ask me, because this is important. Okay, and derivative is important. Okay, derivative is important. So derivative is also important. So I think I will see you again next week. Don't forget group homework tu ya. Group homework submit on Sunday. Okay. Apa lagi? Anything? Good. All right. So I will stop here. I will see you again. Have a nice weekend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, dah siap ya benda ni? So saya stop sharing. Kita tak siap gini. Any page that you want to see? Saya go stand balik. Okay. You need to show the work, all right? Show where you get the value 20 y equal to 30. But okay. Misalnya sama. So f y. Okay, saya masuk. Saya siapkan. Okay, f y itu apa dia? F y itu. Okay, the constant will just follow the derivative. So don't worry about the constant. Yeah, what? F by y, I got 15 x y 4 plus 3x y squared plus 6x y plus 1. Okay. Now fxy that's equal to 2. X y plus tak payah matematik apa benda lagi. So senang. That is equal to 6x y to the power 5 plus 4y. Right. So we do everything. So submit lah. Okay, you can submit now. I will see you again next week. So assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Submit
Thank you,
sekarang.
sir.
Submit sekarang.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Aduh, sakit telinga saya. Jangan
Thank you,
kuat
sir.
nak cakap. Saya dah lah demam ni. Cakap kuat, sakit telinga. Okay, thank you. Okay, alright. So